Hi students, so in this video I will be basically covering all about GI industry. So nowadays there is a lot of jobs in which recruiters are focusing on GI, and most of us want to get into GI companies, but we are not sure basically the entire roadmap. So first let's understand that basically how do general insurance actuaries work, or where do they exactly work. So we have different type of insurance which is just specific to our GI or PNC industry, like fire insurance, marine insurance, liability insurance, motor insurance, health insurance. This basically is a part of GI because the focus is on short-term risk. The focus is on uncertain claims in this type of sector compared to life sector, and that's why the technical skills play a very important role in GI. So when you are appearing for the GI interview, you should be very good with R or Python skills, advanced Excel, GLM modeling using pricing, your different models in which we are calculating the claims. You should be very good with triangular methods for claim determination. You should be clear with GLM, you should be clear with Born-Hutter-Bergersen method. Like these are the important concepts which we should definitely go through while appearing for the interview. And at the same time we should be clear in which role we want to go into. Like GI actuaries can work in pricing when you are involved in determining premiums using the prices, using the data and the models which are provided to you. You can be asked to work on reserving where you are estimating future liabilities. You can work on the reinsurance side as well, or you can be working on solvency and stress testing. So you should be clear with the role, and CS1, CS2, CM1 basically is must in order to get into GI sector. And we have lot of companies like PwC, Tata AIG, Bajaj Allianz, ICICI Lombard, and we have Milliman that they do focus on GI actuary. So you should be clear with your role, that whether you want to go into pension, life or general. And nowadays we were receiving lot of requests from students with respect to coverage in GI sector. So basically you should be very good with GLM. You should be good with all the methods for modeling. You should be clear with the difference between pricing and reserving. You should be clear with your role. You should be very good with the knowledge of the subjects that you are mentioning on your resume. This is prerequisite for entering into GI sector. So hope you find it useful, and we will be covering up with more videos and updates coming your way. Thank you, happy learning, and do not forget to like or subscribe our channel.